Egg.
Oh!
Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of GPT Kitchen, where an AI creates a recipe and we cook it and see if it's any good. Today we're making pumpkin pie, just in time for Halloween.
That was like 2 weeks ago.
Okay, how about Thanksgiving?
That was 3 weeks ago.
Okay, how about American Thanksgiving?
We're Canadian.
But our viewers are American, right?
We don't have any viewers.
Okay, screw you guys, I'm doing this.
Whoa!
Where are my pads?
Oh shit!
Oh wow.
Can you imagine?
I'm sorry, I didn't know I did that.
Can you turn around?
Okay, let's go. Generate a recipe. Puree? It's puree.
We're gonna start with our pie crust. Like butter on a knife. Butter through
Oh god, wait. Is it coming out?
No. There's like 2 pieces.
Okay, let me try. It's coming out.
Okay, is that enough?
Yeah, honestly, I think it was good.
Alright, good thing we have 2 halves.
That's true.
Wow, he's jacked. He's huge.
Hey Google, can dogs eat lemons?
On the website purina.ca, they say, dogs can eat the flesh of lemons, but their system cannot tolerate large quantities. The fruit can cause digestive problems.
Not
People
today.
also
Not
sometimes-
today.
What happens?
Step 1.
It's almost done. Almost done melting.
Step 2.
Step 3.
You do it all at once?
I think so.
Okay.
This isn't even that much dough.
This is a lot of butter. This is a lot of butter. I don't think this is right. Do we have a backup?
No, it's for the channel.
Okay. We do. We go with it. We're gonna bake this still. It's actually gonna smoke up. It's too much butter. When we start baking, it's actually gonna burn. What is this? Step 4.
Step 5.
Step 5.
It looks awful, so we're just gonna take out the dough.
The solids.
The solids.
Suddenly a science show making slime.
Try squeezing it.
Oh,
This is an example of a non-Newtonian fluid.
oh my god.
I don't know if the mic's picking up the noise.
I didn't record this.
Honestly, it feels pretty solid. Like, decent.
Like actually much.
Should I just grab a paper towel and just soak up some of the extra butter?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
Good. I think we just saved 2 months of our lives.
Yeah.
Taking out that much butter. So here we have our pie puree pumpkin. And our can opener. This is used to open the can.
It's an educational video.
So the recipe calls for 15 ounces of pie pumpkin puree, but this is a 14-ounce can, so we had to buy 2. It's highly getcha.
Big pie.
The AI is working for Big Pie.
Egg.
Jesus Christ, that's so bad. Shell. There's a lot of shell. There's just 2.
Don't put your fingers, use the shell.
Use the shell. Use the shell.
Step 1. Step 2.
Yeah, this looks like pumpkin pie filling.
Yeah.
So this is our pumpkin pie.
Puree.
No, it's puree before.
Oh,
Yeah, whatever.
pumpkin pie filling.
Oh, okay. We were gonna bake this crust, but the filling actually called for an unbaked crust, so here we are.
So yeah, our filling and our unbaked crust. To the oven we go.
You gotta pour it first.
To the pouring we go.
Podge? Oh, the bottom of it looks very like buttery, raw.
Oh no! I'm hungry. It doesn't matter.
Alright, we're gonna try it.
Ready?
Oh, that feels pretty good. Okay,
Yeah.
ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
It was very mushy. Is it supposed to be?
That tastes like pumpkin pie.
Yeah, that's not bad. It's actually not bad.
It's really good.
I don't think the crust is flaky or like pie-y enough.
It's like-
it's a crust. It's not a pie
It
crust.
feels like cheesecake crust.
yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Less gingerbready though.
It's a bit hard, I guess.
I think there's too many cloves. That's might be our fault.
I think the flavor of the filling is really good actually.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be this soft, the rennet, the filling.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
I did a second slice.
Yeah, honestly, I'm really impressed.
Like, if I wait, are we gonna rate it right now?
Sure.
I want to give 2 separate ratings. For the filling, I think it's like an 8 out of 10. I think it was really good. The crust is like a 4 out of 10. And if like and together you average that, it's a 6 out of 10.
I think we're more than a 6. I give it like a 7 overall.
Okay, I give it a 6 though. I'll stay with that.
Maybe even an 8. Honestly.
Honestly, yeah, I think I'm going with an 8.
If you want an apron, subscribe.
If you subscribe, we can afford chairs, so you don't have to kneel.
If you want a slice, subscribe. If you want to see your family again, subscribe.
Welcome to episode 2 of GPT Kitchen, where we shit.
Quick cut.